I installed carbon fiber eyelids on my Infiniti Q50, and I'm here to tell you that they're really not the best. So yes, the carbon fiber eyelids on Infiniti Q50 actually do look cool. Like, they do look cool. It is perfect, shiny, glossy, and according to the listing that I bought on eBay, real carbon fiber. They do look nice. Now here's the part where they're junk and maybe not worth it. They absolutely do not stick to your headlights. I'm sorry. Like, this part will stick here. This part will stick here, like in the middle. When it comes to the edges, it will pop. Wow, it will go right back up. Now the reason why it's not really going up for me is because I did a trick. See, these little ends here, the glue or the double-sided tape that it comes with really does not work, and it likes to pick up and come off from the headlight. No matter how good you clean your headlights, these edges down over here do come off and peel off your headlight, and then basically this is trash. It's worthless and looks ugly with it being not straight and pinned down to your headlight. But here's what I did. I added double-sided tape and Gorilla mounting tape, which is also double-sided tape, to the back end of the eyelids. The entire eyelid is fitted with my custom double-sided tape, or 3M tape. So basically pretty much every square inch of these eyelids is covered in mounting and double-sided tape. That way they don't go anywhere. As you can see, I am even lifting the headlight a little bit because it's not all the way secure, but this is not coming off anywhere unless I really pull and rip it apart. Why it's not coming off? Because I use double-sided 3M tape on the carbon fiber eyelids. Now I'll show you the boo-boos I made. So even with the double-sided tape, I still had to use glue. I do not recommend using glue on your headlight. It's hard to remove. Now, eventually over time, it will come off on its own because it's not attached to anything. But I added glue not to the bottom of this eyelid. I added glue to where the 3M tape was already coming off. Yes, sometimes even the 3M tape doesn't work. And to tell you the truth, if it doesn't work, you have to take the whole eyelid off to properly mount a new set of 3M tape, even though it's only a little bit that's coming off, in order for you to get a good fit. So once you take this off, it means you got to reapply the 3M tape all over again. Now, this glue, whatever you do, if you have glue in your headlight, just leave it alone, let it come off on its own, or contact a detailer that knows how to take it off. Do not use Goo Gone or Goo Off, because you will destroy your headlight. I'm gonna share a little story here. I used Goo Off because I had carbon fiber eyelids before, and what ended up happening is I took it off. I tried to glue it because it was coming off, and that didn't work. I decided to buy new ones. I ripped the old ones off, tried to take off the glue, but what ended up happening is Goo Gone left all this residue on. Now, some polishing work will be able to take it off. My future with this car, if I ever have money, my YouTube channel grows, is to actually get a custom LED. It's already LED, but even more custom $1,200 headlights for this Q50. But that's why you don't use Goo Gone. Now, I'm hiding most of the damage with this carbon fiber eyelid. So from a distance, it doesn't look ugly at all. It looks kind of cool. But these eyelids are absolutely trash unless you have your own mounting tape, because whatever stickiness that they come with is absolutely not worth it, and it's not going to stick to your car, to your headlights. The only way to do this is to get your own double-sided tape. Also, the original ones, for some reason, as soon as you apply, you think you applied it smooth. Wrong. Bubbles start appearing on the eyelids. It's the best to get your own mounting tape and mount it. Don't use whatever the eyelids come with. This is the mounting tape I used to apply on my carbon fiber eyelids. So I do have an extra set just in case my set that I currently have on go bad and start peeling off, or I'm gonna put them on my new headlights, my custom performance headlights, if they can fit on them. But anyway, this is what they look like. Basically, once you peel this off right here, it's double-sided. Wrong. it doesn't really work. It's sticky, but not sticky enough on the edges to where it's gonna come off, even if your headlights are clean. What I do is peel it off, and every square inch of the back of these carbon fiber eyelids, you cover with the double-sided mounting tape or 3M double-sided tape, and it should never even come off. But since I use 3M and mounting tape, this will never come off. As you can see, I'm trying to pull it off and it doesn't come off. Now, if it starts peeling off, my recommendation, peel this whole thing off and redo the double-sided tape. And of course, you got to cut your double-sided mounting tapes to size of the eyelids, but it's worth it if you do it. So if it's coming off and you can't buy a new set, just peel it off. The double-sided tape actually peels off the headlight very nicely, whatever's left on there, and you can just peel off the double-sided tape that's left in the eyelid and reapply new double-sided tape. And since the carbon fiber eyelid already comes with stickiness, it's very easy to apply the double-sided tape and it'll be stick on. Now, I don't know why I had to use glue here. I did not really glue the headlight, even though I kind of got a little smudge there, but eventually over time that will come off with water and just overall use of wear and tear. But I'm pulling this eyelid as much as I can, and it does not want to come off. Even this edge here, down over here, I mean, yes, you can see that you can peel it off, but if you don't touch it, it's never going to come off. So that's the very good news. Even if it starts peeling off just a tiny bit, honestly, it will not come off, but you get the point. That's why I use double-sided tape. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.